Outsourcing contracts and implementation in TRSO Secunderabad. Outsourcing. The primary aim is to cut the cost. TRSO organization is not only about the cutting cost and also getting the benefits of intentional outsourcing, such as accessing skilled expertise, reducing overhead, flexible staffing, and increasing efficiency, reducing turnaround time, and eventually generating achievements. TRSO organization outsourcing works are involved to run safe operations of trains. TRSO organization is maintaining various outsourcing contracts like running rooms management, including provisions of subsidized meals, hiring of vehicles for crew transportation, supply and loading of sand in locomotives, crew lobbies and CTR feeding, loco cleaning at trip sets, and MMTS rake cleaning. Outsourcing and its advantages. Outsourcing can be defined as the strategic use of outside resources to perform activities traditionally handled by internal staff and resources. Advantages: reducing and controlling operating costs, freeing internal resources for other purposes, time utilization, skills acquisition, streamlining or increasing efficiency for time consuming functions, user satisfaction. Requirements for successful outsourcing. In the early days, cost and headcount reduction were the most common reason to outsource. Today, companies more strategic and focus on carrying out value adding services in-house where an organization can best utilize its core companies. Requirements: open communication, executive support, clarity concerning company goals and objectives, relationship management, properly structured subcontract and vendor agreements, senior leadership support and involvement, careful attention to personal issues, short-term financial justification. Implementation of outsourcing contracts in TRSO organization. Running rooms. In running rooms, catering the needs of running staff, hygiene food to the occupants, and running room premises being maintained. Quality of rest is getting to the running staff. Getting sufficient time to the running staff, like without wasting time for preparing food arrangements, on-time call book, etc. Hiring of vehicle for crew transportation. Crew relief is given at convenient places, reducing overhours and pilot hours, reducing the detentions, etc. Crew lobbies and CTR feeding. Crew booking and on duty and off duty done on CMS. Time to time position of staff under rest, under PR, staff available, crew booked, crew online, etc. were repeated over phone every 4 hours or whenever required by TLC or crew controllers. Position of outstation crew taking rest in running rooms and their rest completion time is maintained continuously. Crew movement, that is CTR particulars, is to be recorded in CMS regularly. Supply and loading of sand into locomotives and attention of sanders. Supply of fine coarse of sand and loading into the loco sand boxes at various depots and trip sites. To avoid wheel slipping at gradients, further avoiding stallings and rail scrubbing. To maintain speed and maintain punctuality of trains. Loco cleaning at trip sets and cleaning of MMTS rakes. Loco body cleaning is being done at trip sets Hyderabad and Sanatnagar. MMTS rakes cleaning is being done at Hyderabad, Lingampalli, Falaknama and Secunderabad stations. Thank you.